Hi, in this video we're going to share what we did in Langkawi in less than 24 hours. So let's get started. Our adventure starts at Pantai Chenang, the most popular beach in Langkawi. After soaking in the vibrant beach, we checked into our hotel nearby to freshen up and have an exciting day ahead. Next up, we boarded an incredible sunset cruise which we booked through Klook, and sailing through the calm waters as the sun dipped below the horizon was nothing short of magical. One of the highlights was spotting Langkawi's famous Eagle Square, a landmark that symbolized the island's history and heritage. We enjoyed the barbecue dinner under the setting sun with unlimited drinks, yes, unlimited, and nothing beats the fresh sea breeze and delicious food while cruising at the sunset. Back at Pantai Chenang, we wrapped our evening by watching mesmerizing fire shows right at the beach. The skill and the energy were incredible, adding the perfect touch to a relaxing evening. The next morning, we were ready for more adventure. We joined an island hopping trip and explored Langkawi's stunning natural wonders, starting with a lush mangrove forest. We even got to witness dolphin feeding and eagle feeding up close, which was such an unforgettable experience. Next, we headed to the famous Pregnant Lady Island, known for its unique mountain shape that resembles a pregnant woman. And after taking in the sights, we took a swim break in the crystal clear waters of the mangrove forest. After lunch, we visited Underwater World Langkawi. We were amazed by the variety of marine life, from colorful fish to fascinating sea creatures. And just like that, our 24 hours in Langkawi came to an end. After an incredible experience on this beautiful island, it was time to catch our flight back to Kuala Lumpur. Langkawi may be small, but it's packed with amazing things to do, even if you only have 24 hours. If you enjoyed this itinerary, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel adventures.